Good morning and happy spring. The sun is finally shining, the air feels fresh, and I felt inspired to do a little spring reset.
I just need a little help.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're doing something.
I am not.
You are.
I am not.
You are.
A simple chandelier on the back porch is like a little wink at elegance. Proof that everyday moments deserve a touch of sparkle too. Making your own cleaning spray is a smart move. It's cheaper, cleaner, and you know exactly what's going into the air and onto your surfaces. Decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about keeping what matters, clearing what doesn't, and creating space for peace, not just stuff. Hey, baby. I believe there's a quiet joy in laundry. The simple satisfaction of turning chaos into order and fresh scents in the air. And some ways that you can romanticize doing laundry is by playing soft music, open a window, use a beautiful laundry basket, add a few drops of essential oils, hang clothes on a line, fold slowly with intention, and sip something cozy. Think of it as care and not work. So feel free to wear something comfy and cute and light a candle or incense to help set the mood. There's nothing better than relaxing in a freshly cleaned space. I poured myself a drink and just let myself enjoy the moment.